Look at the Instagram Explore page or your own Reels feed right now. You will see an endless stream of sleek, minimalist, high-engagement videos pulling in millions of views, thousands of saves, and an avalanche of new followers daily. But if you look closely, you'll notice something fascinating. A massive percentage of these accounts never show a single human face. They don't require the creator to sit under hot studio lights, memorize complex scripts, or worry about how they look on camera. They are scaling highly profitable digital brands using one specific strategy: faceless reels for beginners. But let's address the elephant in the room. If you try to research how to start a faceless Instagram page today, most generic gurus will give you the exact same outdated advice. They tell you to download a bunch of overused, aesthetic luxury stock clips of a sports car driving through a city, or someone drinking coffee by a rainy window. Slap a generic motivation quote on top with some trendy music, and post it 3 times a day. If you do that, your views will flatline at exactly 0. The Instagram algorithm has evolved significantly. It completely rejects lazy, duplicated spam content. To actually build a massive audience and make money online today, you have to build high-retention, hyper-focused visual systems. You need to know exactly how to guide ChatGPT to engineer psychological, text-heavy hooks that force a user's thumb to stop scrolling within the first single second. And you need a unified system to build these videos without spending hours inside complex editing software. That is where Syllaby comes in as the ultimate shortcut for your content production. Instead of jumping between ChatGPT for your concepts, separate databases for high-quality vertical B-roll, and complex external apps to add trending captions, Syllaby acts as your all-in-one automated video canvas. It helps you uncover the highest volume trending topics your target audience is searching for, writes the script assets, and outputs complete, perfectly formatted 9:16 vertical videos with high-fidelity voices and auto-timed captions in seconds. If you want to jumpstart your account and build along with me today, you can secure a completely free trial of Syllaby using the link located right down in the pinned comment. To dominate Instagram as a complete beginner, you have to understand the core metrics that drive the algorithm. On YouTube, creators obsess over click-through rates, but on Instagram Reels, the content is served to users on an automated, infinite scroll feed. This means the 2 metrics that matter above everything else are watch-through rate and save-to-share velocity. The algorithm measures exactly how quickly a user scrolls past your video, how long they stay pinned to the screen, and whether your content is valuable enough for them to hit the save button or send it to a friend's direct messages. Faceless formats are uniquely positioned to maximize these exact signals because they turn content into a clean, systematic delivery mechanism. When you remove the distraction of a human face, the viewer's brain focuses entirely on the core message, the aesthetic movement of the video, and the on-screen text. Let's break down the 3 highest-performing faceless Reels frameworks for beginners that are generating massive growth right now. First, the aesthetic B-roll and micro-text story. This format pairs a high-quality, calming, or cinematic visual loop like a modern workspace setup, a dark, moody city street at night, or an abstract textured background with a deeply relatable, multi-sentence text overlay that unfolds slowly. Because the text takes a few seconds to read, the viewer naturally stays on the video longer, which automatically sends a massive watch time signal to the algorithm. Second, the interactive quiz and countdown matrix. This format leverages pure curiosity. You frame a video around a concept like 5 dark psychology facts you didn't know, or can you answer these 3 traps? By displaying structural, step-by-step countdown numbers or revealing answers right at the very last second, you force the user to watch the entire reel through to completion. This also drives an incredible amount of engagement velocity in the comment section as people debate their answers or share their thoughts. Third, the voiceover explainer or mini system breakdown. This is where you use a professional, clear voice to walk the viewer through a highly actionable daily system, a software automation flow, or a productivity blueprint while showing screen recordings, desktop mockups, or minimalist graphics. To build these formats successfully, you must use ChatGPT the right way to create your script framework. The secret to a viral faceless reel is the first 3 seconds. Your hook must act as a psychological pattern interrupt. If you let ChatGPT write a generic opening line, your video will fail. You must explicitly prompt ChatGPT to use text-led hooks that target a hyper-specific problem, a contrarian opinion, or an exclusive piece of inside knowledge. Instead of having the AI write, "Here are some tips for productivity," you command it to write a high-impact hook like, "You are not actually lazy. You are just trapped in a dopamine loop engineered by your phone." Here is the 3-step exit strategy. Once ChatGPT generates your short, punchy script outline, you port that strategy directly into Syllaby to execute the production. The classic bottleneck of short-form creation is the pure exhaustion of constant editing. Trying to find the right vertical aspect ratios, adjusting text alignment so it doesn't get cut off by the Instagram UI layout, and manually typing out captions can lead to instant creator burnout. Syllaby completely removes that friction. You drop your ChatGPT text into the terminal, select the vertical 9 by 16 format, and let the native AI engine process the layout. Inside Syllaby, you can deploy studio-grade AI voice synthesis to handle the narration seamlessly, or you can leverage their voice cloning feature to use your own voice without ever picking up a microphone. The platform automatically maps your script to stunning, high-fidelity visual sequences using advanced generative models like Google VO3. By toggling on their character consistency feature, you can ensure that any recurring visual assets or design motifs remain perfectly uniform across every scene block, giving your entire Instagram grid a highly cohesive, professional brand identity. Within less than 10 minutes, Syllaby compiles your voiceover, syncs the kinetic B-roll, sets up clean background tracks, and applies the high-end, animated on-screen captions that are essential for mobile viewers watching with their sound turned off. To monetize your faceless beginner account effectively, you cannot just wait around hoping for a massive follower count. The smartest creators design their accounts to convert traffic into revenue from day one. You do this by setting up a hyper-targeted, automated back-end funnel. In the description of your high-value reels, you include a specific call to action that drives people to your profile bio link. You can use your scripts to say, "If you want the exact layout blueprint I used to build this system, I put together a completely free guide for you. Just click the link in my bio to grab it." When you combine this strategy with a software affiliate program like Syllaby, the passive earning potential compounding is massive. By showcasing how easy it is to solve content creation bottlenecks using automated tools and pointing your audience to a free trial via your bio link, you create a seamless conversion path. Syllaby rewards you with a 30% recurring monthly commission for every user you introduce to the platform. As your reels continue to rotate through the Instagram algorithm, racking up saves and shares on autopilot, your bio link turns into a steady stream of predictable, recurring revenue. The barriers to entry have been completely demolished. You do not need to be a professional video editor, you do not need an expensive camera setup, and you absolutely do not need to show your face to build an influential digital presence. All you need is a systematic approach to short-form content. By combining the deep hook engineering intelligence of ChatGPT with the rapid, all-in-one vertical rendering power of Syllaby, you have everything required to run a high-growth media asset straight from your desktop. Commit to building your first content system today. Stop overcomplicating the steps and let AI handle the heavy lifting of your video workflow. Click the link located right down in the pinned comment to claim your 7-day free trial of Syllaby right now. Open up the platform, generate your very first faceless vertical reel, and start scaling your digital brand on your own terms. Stay consistent, track your saved metrics, and I will see you at the top of the feed.